going to harvest some nectarines and grapes. The grapes are ready. There are a lot of grapes. And then down here too. And then the nectarines are here. These are the nectarines. Look at this. This is ripe. See? Beautiful. Look at the tomatoes. This one is ready. This one too. They are like ready already at the same time. I think my bowl is like small. This is what I have. I'll just move the big ones on the basket. Look at that. This is our bowl for like smaller tomatoes. This one too. Oh, the pear fell. This is lemon blush. So this is more of a medium-sized tomato. And let's harvest the German green. German green that is ready. This one is ready too. I have a lot of tomatoes that are ready. I have calamundin too. Look at the calamundin. I'm going to make calamundin juice or calamansi. Actually, there are different varieties. I thought they are the same, but like because in the Philippines we have calamansi, but these are calamundin. That's why in the Philippines they are like green. They stay green, sort of. These ones they are like orange. See? And now let's move on to this one. This is Sanchella. Let's harvest some pear. These two are ready, I think, or they just changed color. Let's try one. And that's the fig tree. Here are the flowers. Look at them. A bunch of roses. See? I'll get one from here. This one. Some orange too. I'll add some orange. And here's our flower vase now. Let's put this a little bit here, like that. My garden harvest and some flowers. And my beautiful garden harvest: the tomatoes, the grapes, lemons, nectarines, figs, and there's a pear there, and some flowers. Here's the harvest from earlier today. We have tomatoes, figs, nectarines, grapes, and pear. And then for the tomatoes, I'm going to make bruschetta. We have ciabatta here, so both bruschetta, tomatoes with ciabatta, and then sourdough here for tomorrow too. So, and then I picked some herbs from the garden because we're going to have steamed tomatoes. So I have like chives here for the tomatoes, and then the basil for the ciabatta, and for the bruschetta, and that's what we are having for dinner tonight. And then also like seared ahi tuna. I have ahi tuna here. I'll wash the tomatoes first. So I'll use this one, the yellow one. I'll use different colors so they are pretty. And then I'll use, look at this different shaped tomato. And then I use the green one. Look at this. And then more yellow, and then orange, and then this one too. What else? Two greens. I think this should be enough. And I'll probably use this like little ones too. Let's try this. This is probably a lot already, but we can eat them tomorrow too. And so these are the different varieties of tomatoes that I am going to use for this bruschetta. Look at the different colors. Beautiful, right? These are the same varieties in Jella. These are the same variety too. And then lemon blush. And this. And then this one is Big Boy. This is the most common one. This one I can't remember anymore. And this one too. Pretty. So let's remove the stalk and start slicing them. So we can eat them like this too. Look at this. They just like, the knife just slides. Look. Kind of like that, and then the green one, for example, like that, and then the red one. See, pretty too, like that, right? And then the orange one. Anyway, it's like, it's nice to have like, you know, the cutting board to have like a canal like this when you're slicing tomatoes, so the juice would go there. I'll just like slice them. It's easier than having to do what I was planning to do earlier. Look at the green one. I love the green one. And the yellow one. And then the orange one. Or I can do it this way too, so to show, like, you know, to see the different colors, right? This one is very juicy. The orange one. See? Different colors. Let's do the red one. The Big Boy. Even if you have a sharp knife, it's not that easy to cut these like tomatoes. Look at the colors. See? The different colors. Pretty pretty. They have different tastes too. Some are more sour than the others, or like some are sweeter than the others. Some are sweet, some are sour. Look at that, so pretty. I have a lot there too, if we need more. Drink. So this will be our bruschetta. I just need to add olive oil and then salt. And then basil, torn basil. Look at that. And I am searing ahi tuna. And I have the potatoes here today. Here's our dinner with some garden harvest. The tomatoes on our bruschetta, And then we have eye tuna here, nectarines, more tomatoes here, potatoes, and then the grapes over there. And the flowers also from the garden. We're watching Avengers. Today is my summer Friday and it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to tag you along how my day unfolds. I actually have no plans. It's most likely gardening and cooking and some random stuff. So we get 6 summer Fridays off, half day every other Friday from Memorial Day through Labor Day.